Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and for this final lecture in Chapter 6, we are going to learn how to talk about being at someone's place, being in someone's place of work or residence, or sort of being where they are supposed to be. You've already learned about using the preposition u to indicate possession and to indicate location at, by, or near someone or something. And it also has this meaning in Russian of at someone's place, wherever they are supposed to be. So that just depends on context. It can be their office, their room, their home, or their hometown, or their home country. But it has this meaning of at someone's place, at wherever someone is supposed to be. For example, we could say, Где Masha? Where is Masha? Она у Светы. She's at Sveta's. And depending on context, that could mean Sveta's room, like we are in the apartment, in the kitchen, and I say, where's Masha? And you say, Она у Светы, meaning that she and Sveta have gone into Sveta's room and are like hanging out there watching TV or something together. Or Я была у Саши. I was at Sasha's place. I was at Sasha's house. Or possibly his office, just wherever Sasha is normally supposed to be. Студент у профессора. The student is at the professor's place, and this is normally going to mean that the student is in the professor's office, like having a meeting during office hours. Or you could say, У нас очень красиво. At our place, or amongst us, it's very pretty. It's very pretty here where we live, and that often has the meaning of in our hometown or our home country. Similarly, you could ask someone, Как там у вас? What's it like where you are? And that means where you are, but it often means in your town or in your country. Just wherever you come from, wherever you are supposed to be. So it has this very broad meaning. This u to mean at someone's place has this very broad meaning that you just understand by context. So that is Chapter 6 in the bag. Congratulations! Let's prepare ourselves to move on to Chapter 7.